Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Friends, I will show you the best setting for LG UltraGear monitor. So guys, let's dive in on this video and let's get started. This is the LG guys monitor. If you want to get the best setting and for best performance, let's get started. So guys, for mod gaming setup 1 or FPS, brightness between 9 and 100 and adjust based on your room lighting, contrast between 7 and 75, sharpness between 50 and gamma 2.2, and this is guys make sure 2.2. For black stability, make sure guys 50 and adjust in-game if needed. For color temp, custom or warm depending your personal preference. And then guys, make sure the color for the color setting you should be make red 50 and green 50 and blue 50. And then guys, this is for game mode. Make sure guys have response time fast and adaptive sync on. And then this is for GPU, enable on GPU setting. Go to your GPU setting guys, from the GPU setting. And then 1 minute motion blur reduction is off, and dynamic action sync is off, and crosshair optionals and FPS counter is also optional. So this is the best setting guys. I hope this video helpful for you. Don't forget to give like and share this video for more content, and see you on another video soon.